Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of automobiles. Today we're talking about a car that punches way above its weight class, the Honda Fit. This little dynamo has been turning heads and winning hearts for years. This isn't your average subcompact. The Honda Fit stands out in a crowded field with its unique blend of practicality and performance. It's a masterclass in space utilization, fuel efficiency, and fun driving dynamics. The interior is surprisingly roomy, offering more space than you'd expect from a car of this size. The Fit proves that you don't need a hulking SUV to conquer the urban jungle. Its compact size makes it perfect for city driving, allowing you to navigate through tight spaces and heavy traffic with ease. It zips through traffic, sips fuel like a hummingbird, and still offers enough space for your weekend adventures. Whether you're heading to the grocery store or planning a road trip, the Honda Fit has got you covered. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone who appreciates a well-designed car, the Honda Fit deserves a closer look. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for a wide range of drivers. Buckle up as we dive into what makes this little car a giant contender. From its innovative design to its impressive performance, the Honda Fit is a car that truly lives up to its name. Let's explore all the features that make it a standout in the subcompact category. One of the standout features of the Honda Fit is its magic seat system. This innovative design allows you to configure the seats in multiple ways to maximize cargo space. Need to transport a bike or some furniture? No problem. The Fit can handle it all with ease. The Fit also comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system. With a user-friendly touchscreen display and seamless smartphone integration, you can stay connected and entertained on the go. Safety is another area where the Honda Fit excels. It comes with a host of advanced safety features, including a rear-view camera, lane keeping assist, and more. You can drive with confidence knowing that the Fit has your back. No matter the weather or the road conditions, the Honda Fit delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. Its nimble handling and responsive steering make it a joy to drive. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring winding country roads, it's no wonder that the Honda Fit has received numerous accolades and awards over the years. Its combination of practicality, performance, and affordability makes it a top choice for anyone in the market for a subcompact car. So, if you're looking for a car that offers big value in a small package, the Honda Fit is definitely worth considering. It's a compact car champion that proves great things really do come in small packages. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on our journey through the world of cars.